Hi, Ted Brooks with Alfra Maglogics again, here to talk to you more about the TMC family of industry-leading magnetic tools. Whether you're using one of our hand lifters, one of our basic cubes, we're going to show you how basic setups, fabrication of all kinds becomes so easy, so much easier than ever before. We're going to do a basic square, the kind of thing our customers do every day. Take a couple of our magnets, put them right here in the end of a machine square table. Bring the tube stock up to it and turn the magnet on. We know it's now perfectly flush to the end of the table. We'll bring in another one of these, put it around the middle, put it overlapping the tube stock and the table. We know that we now are perfectly in line with the table itself. We'll bring the next piece over. Simply butt it up against that piece of steel. With this incredibly small field of magnetism, I've got plenty of room to work before this starts to grab my steel from me. Bring it right in, it's that easy. Take the last one, turn it on. Now I now have an absolutely beautifully 90-degree piece of steel with only 3 magnets. So much easier than sitting there fumbling with big F clamps, C clamps, all of the various bench dogs and hold downs that you use on these welding tables. This makes it so much easier. And here's the best part about using our magnets for this purpose. We'll go back and play a little game I like to call Find My Magnetic Field. You can weld right up to the magnet if you need to. Obviously, we always recommend a tack weld. Bring a little tack in here, maybe a tack up here, move the magnet away, and finish a perfectly 90-degree angle. It's that easy using the TMC products, only from Alfra Maglogics.